Ever wish you could get ChatGPT in your browser with just one click? Well, guess what? You totally can, and I'm going to show you exactly how. So, what's the magic trick here? It's something called a Chrome extension. Basically, it's a tiny little program. Think of it like adding a superpower to your browser. It just makes it way smarter and more useful. All right, let's get right into it. We're going to check out 10 awesome extensions that are like a direct shortcut to ChatGPT. Let's start with the first 5 power-ups for your browser.
Okay, first on the list, ChatGPT for Google. You know how you search for something? Imagine this. Right next to your usual Google results, a little box pops up with an answer from ChatGPT. I mean, no more clicking through a bunch of links. It's a huge time saver.
Ever just stare at a blank email with no idea what to write? We've all been there. Well, ChatGPT Writer is for you. You just tell it something simple, like write a polite email saying no to a meeting, and boom, it writes the whole thing for you. It's a lifesaver when you're in a rush. You know that feeling? You click on a 30-minute video just to find one little thing? Ugh, that's where YouTube Summary is amazing. It basically watches the video for you and spits out a quick summary with all the main points. You get what you need in way less time.
Okay, so one of the big problems with ChatGPT, right, is that its knowledge is kind of stuck in the past. But Web ChatGPT, it fixes that. It literally gives ChatGPT a live connection to the internet. So you can ask about stuff that's happening right now and get fresh, up-to-date answers. Game changer.
This next one is kind of like the YouTube summarizer, but for articles. It's called Reader GPT. So you land on this super long web page. Instead of reading the whole thing, this tool just scans it and gives you the short version. You get the main ideas without having to read every single word. So good. Okay, that's the first 5 down, but we are just getting warmed up. Ready for more browser superpowers? Because we've got 5 more awesome ones coming right up. Number 6 is all about writing faster. It's called Compose AI. Think of it like the autocomplete you have on your phone, but everywhere on your computer. As you're typing on any website, it just suggests how to finish your sentences and helps you fly through your writing. If you spend any time on Twitter or X, you're going to want to check this one out. Tweet GPT. For those times when you're just not sure what to post or you want to come up with a really clever reply, this tool just gives you ideas. It's awesome for staying active without all the brain work. You know how annoying it is to keep flipping back and forth between tabs to ask ChatGPT something? It totally breaks your flow. Well, Cider fixes that. It puts in AI chat right in a sidebar on whatever page you're on, so you can ask questions and get help without ever leaving the site you're on. Multitasking just got so much easier. Okay, if you want just one tool that does a little bit of everything, you need to meet Merlin. Seriously, it's like the Swiss Army knife of AI. It summarizes websites, it helps you write emails, it does so much. And the best part? It's always just a click away. A fantastic all-around helper. And last but not least, number 10 is AIPRM for ChatGPT. I love this one. Think of it like a recipe book for getting great answers from ChatGPT. It gives you this huge menu of pre-made, expert-level prompts for things like marketing or SEO. You just pick the recipe you want, and it helps you get amazing results every time. So, pretty cool, right? Now you're probably thinking, okay, how do I get these? Well, the best part is it's super easy to get started and install your new superpower. It's literally just 3 steps. Step 1, head over to the Chrome Web Store. Step 2, search for the name of the extension you want. And step 3, just hit that big Add to Chrome button. That's it, you're all set. When you boil it all down, what do all these tools do? They're all about making your life on the computer faster and easier. Simple as that. They're just little helpers that can honestly make a huge difference in your day. So that's our top 10 list. But hey, the conversation doesn't end here. Your feedback is what helps everyone else learn too. So if you found this helpful and you're excited to try one of these tools, do me a favor and hit that like button. And of course, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on what's next. All right, I've got a question for you. Out of all 10 of these, which one are you going to try first? And hey, is there one you'd like me to do a really deep dive on? Drop a comment below and let me know. I'm really curious to see what you guys think.